Hey there, welcome back. So in this video, we are going to learn about the major parts of WebRTC. Okay, so WebRTC is categorized majorly in four different parts. First is signaling. Second one is connecting. Third is securing, and the fourth one is communicating. So in the previous tutorials, we have seen that there are so many protocols that are involved, right, which makes the WebRTC. So this part is not controlled by the WebRTC. WebRTC lets you use any medium that you want for this part. Okay, for the first part. So in case of signaling, we'll be talking about different protocols such as SIP. These are widely used protocols. You can use SIP, you can use WebSocket or just the socket. You can use any medium. You can even send across this data through email. In a general application, you won't be using email. I'm just telling you that this is also possible. Okay, any medium, even you can send it over the text message also, right? Text message, WhatsApp, anything, right? So in this signaling part, you can use these mediums or these protocols. All right, for connecting, the concepts of ICE will come. Okay, ICE will come, then we will talk about stun, turn. Okay, we'll also talk about NAT. Okay, so these protocols will talk as part of connecting. In the next part, we'll be talking about securing the WebRTC. Okay, as part of this, we'll be talking about TLS in terms of DTLS. DTLS, what is gets involved for securing the connection. Okay, and then in the communicating part, okay, we'll talk about RTP, we'll talk about SRTP, we'll talk about RTCP, then SCTP. Okay, so these are the protocols that we'll talk about when we'll discuss about the communicating phase. Okay, so these four major phases or major parts are the, you can say, building blocks of the WebRTC. Okay, where we establish the connection between peers. Okay, so yeah, in the next video we'll talk about the signaling. Let's start with that. Okay, see you in the next tutorial.